Today, I will explain to you how to have your 7 accounts. Your initial capital will be 92,070 pesos for your 7 accounts. Paano ngayon naging 92,070 yung 7 accounts? Remember, your initial account is 14,790 pesos. And if you are planning to add an additional account, 12,880 pesos na lang ang babayaran mo for your second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so on. So this is your first, this is your second, this is your third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh account. Let's have a breakdown. Okay? Your initial package is 14,790. Your additional packages, 12,880 times 6 additional packages. That will be 77,280 pesos. Plus your 14,000. That's 92,070 pesos. Okay, now, sa negosyo, pag meron kang nilabas, dapat malaman mo rin kung ano ang babalik. Okay. Remember, your immediate product income, your immediate product package, bawat isang account, maximum na nagkakahalaga yung laman ng products is 16,100 pesos. Since 7 yung packages na nakuha mo, at pag nabenta mo yan, yung 7 packages na yan, times 7, yan ay 112,700 pesos. This is your first immediate return kung mabibenta mo yung 7 packages mo. Now, your second return, dito naman manggagaling yung 150 PPV na na-accumulate mo doon sa 7 accounts na binuksan mo. Okay? Remember, this is your first account. Okay? This is your company A and company B. Merong 3 sa kabila at 3 sa kabila. So, you're going to earn 3 matches. That's 2,100 times 3, first account. Kumita ka or bumalik yung capital mo ng 6,300 pesos. Okay? Sa first account. Let's talk about your second account. Your second account, may company A at company B, at meron kang match na isa dito. Your second account ay kumita ng 2,100 pesos. Your third account, ganun din, may company A at may company B. May isang match at yung third account mo ay kumita ng 2,100 pesos. So the total return in gross is 10,500 pesos. Less taxes and the webpage fee, your net income is 9,150 pesos. Okay. I just want to emphasize this one. This 9,150 pesos, ito yung chechekehin mo agad upon encoding your 7 accounts. Meaning to say, your total returns, return of your capital, are your 112,700 pesos pag nabenta mo yung package mo, plus your 9,150 pesos na chineke mo upon encoding your 7 accounts, your total returns 121,850 pesos. Ibig sabihin, kumita ka ng almost 29,780 pesos. Now, For example, you have your 100,000 pesos in your bank. Ilagay mo yung 92,070 pesos sa bangko. 2 years, wag mo siyang gagalawin. Pustahan tayo, hindi siya kikita ng 29,780 pesos. Ilagay mo yung 92,070 pesos mo sa Royal. Okay? Kahit abutin ka ng 2 years, ibenta yung mga produkto mo, at least, ang babalik sa'yo, 29,780 pesos.